An incredible bird. Pelican facts. The beak pouch can hold as much as 3 gallons of water, which is more than 3 times what this animal's stomach can hold. Pelican is the only species that dive bombs into the water to catch fish. Pelicans fly easily thanks to air sacs in their bones, which allow them to reach heights of 10,000 feet when gliding on warm air currents. Pelican birds often hunt cooperatively by splashing the water's surface with their wings to move fish into shallow water where they can scoop them up with their beaks. There are 8 main pelican species: American white pelican, Australian pelican, brown pelican, Dalmatian pelican, great white pelican, Peruvian pelican, pink-backed pelican, and spot-billed pelican. A pelican's beak can hold thrice the capacity of its stomach. These birds are also characterized by their webbed feet, long necks, and most notably, their unique beak and accompanying large pouch. Their tails are short and square, while their wings are long and broad, making them suitable for gliding on air currents. They eat fish, carp, shiners, mullet, insects, other birds, and even small mammals. Most of them have light-colored plumage, except for brown and Peruvian pelicans, the latter of which have bright feathers. These birds have the largest beaks of any bird. In some species, the beak can reach up to 18 inches long. The upper part of the beak also has a downward hook, which these birds also use for catching fish. These birds are extremely social birds, living in colonies of several hundred individuals. When they are not eating, they spend their time sleeping, sunbathing, or preening. Both males and females are in charge of building the nests, using feathers, leaves, and sticks. Females can lay anywhere from 1 to 6 eggs, depending upon the species, which take 30 to 36 days to incubate. Both parents incubate the eggs by standing on top of them. Eggs hatch in the order laid, with the first chick usually being the largest. These birds live on all continents except Antarctica, usually in warm climates near coastal or inland waters such as lakes and rivers. Pelicans have a lifespan of 10 to 30 years in natural wild environment. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comments, and share my video with your family and friends.